Meaning of double check.
Double check.
Double check.
Double check.
Double check. Double check means to examine or verify something again to ensure its accuracy or correctness. It is a process of reviewing work that has already been checked to prevent errors or oversights. Double checking can be done through various means, such as using a checklist, reviewing data, or seeking a second opinion. The purpose of double checking is to catch mistakes before they cause problems or harm. By taking the extra time to review and confirm work, errors can be minimized, and confidence in the quality of the work can be improved.